Well, what's up, y'all? Back here for another video. So, I already got the package, but I'm unboxing the sports camera 1080 Wi-Fi H.264. You see, this is what I got. I buy with the SD card, with the accessories come with it. So you connect this to your phone, and you can just be like. It's like a necklace you put on your neck. So you put this on your necklace, and it's like you just carry wherever you go, just record everything, wherever you do like activities you do. So this have 1080p high definition recording, Wi-Fi connection, magnet attractive recording, white charging, loop recording, support 256 gigabyte, waterproof 30 meters, like 30 meters down the water, and 120 wide angle lens. So I got this at a good price. It was at $90-some, actually $90.20 on Black Friday. So this is what I got, guys. Because my GoPro be dying on me too much if I do a lot of activity stuff. So I'm gonna try this out and go from there. So let's try it out. Let's bring this stuff over here. This is the accessories. Everything come with it. Take out the box. And get the mount for the helmet. Your motorcycle. I'm not one. I want to be one. Be like on the dash, which are the vehicle, record everything, or your windshield. This way, you get the camera in, so be fully mounted on. So let's do my best. This is all the accessories come with it. It's just like a GoPro. You put on your motorcycle or your bicycle just to have fun, record all the good things you do. And I'm sorry, this sounds so sloppy, y'all. I haven't did an unboxing video like in a while. So that's what I did, was for Christmas for my son stuff. It's the clear case, go in the water. So, yeah. Other thing is like, it's like a GoPro, most likely. So now let's get to the real thing of it. This is a small, very small chip to go in there. You can see it. Or Android, and for these new iPhones you can use it for. And this is for put them on your neck. You put a shirt on. You put this easy to put on. This magnet like that. And this is the, I don't know what this is, but this is the accessory come with it too. So, and I also buy this for it. So you can clip it to your laptop, your computer. You know, just plug it in and go from there. And the crazy part is, this is the size of my pinky. You can tell, literally the size of my pinky. I'm not trying to bend it. Like, it was so small that, bruh, so small. Like, it's black. You can see a little camera right there. I need to get my camera more focus on more. That's the camera right there. Everything that it looks like. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. Like, I keep buying stuff that's black. Like, black. I know cameras could be black, or it could be different colors. Be like a phone case black, or like a from AirPods case is black. It's like, I like black. I don't know why. I got a black case for my Android Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and for my 16 Pro Max got a black and blue case, waterproof, and like, I'm going crazy, y'all. I'm going insane crazy. But let's put this together. I did read the menu, how to set it up. I already download the app on my phone. So let's take this out, put it in the sports camera, and go from there. I don't know how to look. Well, I can't see how it works. I mean, it looks like you just gotta plug it up to your computer afterwards when you're done using it. Blue light come on. It's vibrating too. I gotta go in the app. About that. Add a camera. Then when I become a VIP member, add the camera. So it's just look for the device right now, just loading. Please start the camera on shown above when the connection camera is powered. Make sure that's powered with text on. So I guess it's connected right now. I'm just waiting for this. What? Connect to Wi-Fi. I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. What you talking about? Okay, so it's so weird because I need to connect this to my Wi-Fi and you like to connect to my Bluetooth. Like, that's your Wi-Fi name. Your Wi-Fi is cam. Like, what? Like, I don't see it on here. Like, bro. Okay. So I guess I got it working. Just the quality's kind of bad. Like, you can see it. I don't know why it look like this, but it just gotta get fixed. Cause it's terrible, very, very terrible. I don't know, y'all, but something's wrong. Yeah, that's like very. I don't know about this device. We don't know. It is poor quality. I can move so slow. I don't even know about this. I really don't know. Like, how can I like fix the quality of it? I know it's 1080p, but it sounds so boring. Like it's still vibrating to this tone. Like, I don't know, y'all. I probably done the app on my other phone. Make it use more faster, everything, something like that. Cause just, I don't know why it's acting like this. Like, it's very small. I'm looking down my whole phone this whole time, figuring this stuff out. This, I don't really know. I probably this. Worst unboxing item. That's the capture. That's the title. Worst unboxing item. This is worse. Like, well, I don't know what to say about this, but like, subscribe, and Happy New Year to y'all. Be safe. Change your goals up for this year. Accomplish this. I mean, focus on your goals. Complete your goals. You want to start a new health diet. Start that. Get your body in good shape. Change some things away. Change some things around in your life. Throw that negative and that toxic stuff away out of your life. Put that by your foot. Just move away from that people. That's the best part to do. So if I was you guys, just do it. It's 2026. If we don't get that, gang. But I'm out. Alright. Thanks for watching the video. This worst unboxing video. Just enjoy your life, guys. Enjoy your life. Alright. I'm out. Goals, swooshed up, oh, oh.